Hey, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Luxury Listing Specialist and Secrets of Top Luxury Agents, and I'm the founder of the Lux designation. In this video, we're going to talk to you about 6 golden nuggets in your business that we're going to help you unwind and discover. Many times, most agents aren't aware of all 6. Most of the time, they don't even know of any of them. Number 1 is your past clients. This one you're probably familiar with. However, when surveyed, 80% of consumers said they had a decent experience with their agent, but yet only 20% used their agent on their next transaction because most agents don't stay in touch with their past clients. So make sure you're doing that. Calling, drop by, texting, putting them on a mailer. Number 2, golden nugget is neighbors of your listings. Neighbors of your listings or neighbors of an open house that you're hosting. Communicate with them. Send out mailers. Send out postcards. Communicate with neighbors of your listings. Keep them posted on traffic and if it sells, of course, or what kind of offers or what kind of activity came through the open house. If 10 people came through the open house, none of them made an offer, well, you can communicate with the neighbors of the listing. Say, hey, there were 10 buyers that came through, but for whatever reason, they didn't like that property. If you're thinking about selling, I have 10 potential buyers. Number 3, buyers of your listings. Think back to how many years you've been in the business. Have you ever communicated with the people that bought your listing? You know that property perhaps better. Maybe that buyer's agent at the time didn't know the area and they're not communicating with that seller anymore, that homeowner, I should say. So buyers of your listings is another golden nugget and could be an income stream that you're not even aware of because you're not communicating with buyers of your listings. Of course, the next one is your farm. Are you communicating consistently in a farm? Are you farming an area? The next one is your sphere of influence, your SOI. Are you communicating with people in your area that you're friends with, your past clients, your current clients, kids that you've coached on your sports team, people in your neighborhood, your sphere of influence? The last golden nugget is the I have a buyer. If you're working with a buyer and can't identify a home because there's no listings, these are very powerful marketing pieces saying, I have a buyer. If you've ever thought about selling, I might have the potential buyer for your home. So these are 6 key golden nuggets. If you're getting value from these videos, please leave us a like, leave us a review from our book, from our podcast, whatever it might be. That's the best way that you can give us a compliment. Again, check out our website again for information on our designation, luxurylistingspecialist.com. And we've just launched one-on-one coaching. Check it out. You see the URL below and you can literally answer some questions and we'll set up a call. It's not cheap, but if you are dead serious about increasing your average sale price, reach out and make sure you fill out an application. Michael LaFido, make it a great day and prove others wrong.